Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned how to think like a programmer and what an algorithm is. We understood that programming is about thinking step by step. Now the question is, if we have steps in our mind, how do we write them before coding? This is where pseudocode comes in. So, what is pseudocode? What is this? So, pseudocode is a simple way of writing the logic of a problem using plain English, right? It is written for humans, not for computers. So pseudocode is logic in plain English, right? So pseudocode is not a programming language. It does not follow strict syntax rules what we have in C++, Python or Java. There are no brackets or semicolons we write in pseudocode. The goal is clarity, not correctness of syntax. So what we have to follow here? It is not a language. No strict rules are there. And the last one, we must focus on clarity. So why beginners need pseudocode? Many beginners directly start writing their code in their own languages, C++, Python or whatever it is, Java. Then they get confused by syntax errors. The problem is not the language what you are using. The problem is unclear thinking here. So pseudocodes help us to think clearly before coding. This is the main step. Think about the problem first, then code. So let us understand this with a very simple example. With a simple problem we have. Problem is we have to print print 1 to 10. Okay. Before writing Java code or C++ or Python, let us write the steps in simple English. So first one is we have to start from printing 1. Printing 1. Okay. Then repeat the following steps until we reach 10. Repeat it again and again until it reaches to 10. Okay. Then print the current number. At last, move to the next number. So let us understand this. First, we have to print 1, then print 2, then print 3 until we reaches to printing 10 itself, right? So let's write here, start from 1. Okay. Repeat until 10. Print it, then go to next number. Okay. So did you notice something here important? We didn't use any C++, Python or Java keyword here. We do not write any code here. Still, the logic is very clear to us, right? We have to start from 1, then repeat until 10, and print each number one by one, then go to next number, like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, until to last 10, right? So, anyone can understand these steps without knowing coding, right? So, this is pseudocode. It is a clear steps equal to good pseudocode, right? So why do we need pseudocode? It builds the confidence. There is no single correct way to write pseudocode, right? Two people can write it differently and both can be correct here, right? What matters is a human should understand your logic. The other person should understand your logic behind what you are thinking, right? So the goal is clarity here, not format. So in interviews, you should always explain your solution in pseudocode first. The brute force come first. When your logic is clear, then you can jump to write code. It will become very easy for you. Like you have to just follow one step. What was the step? Like you have to start from number 1, right? Then print it. Then repeat this process again and again and again until you reach to 10 itself, right? It's that simple. So interviewers can, like, it's they care more about how you think than how fast you type the code, right? So logic, then code. It will become very easy for you to write. So let us quickly summarize this. What we have done today. Pseudocode is logic in simple English, right? It is not a programming language. It avoids syntax confusion. It's the plain English. It helps in coding and interviews also. So in the next video, we will take a simple problem, write its pseudocode, and then convert it step by step into your particular Java, C++, or Python code. Thank you for watching.